Welcome to ClearTask. If you are traveling with a group and wondering how to book a single Uber for up to 6 people, you are in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you exactly how to do it. First, grab your smartphone, open the Uber app, and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the Where to Adoran box, type in your destination address, and select it from the drop-down results. Next, ensure your pickup location is accurate. Once your route is set, Uber will show you a list of available ride options along with their prices. By default, it might show you standard rides like UberX or Wait and Save, which only fit up to 4 passengers. To book a ride for 6, you need to scroll down through the list until you find the option labeled UberXL. UberXL vehicles are SUVs or minivans specifically designated to seat up to 6 passengers comfortably. If your group of 6 also has a lot of extra luggage, you can select UberXXL if it is available in your city. Tap on UberXL to select it, then click the Choose UberXL button at the bottom of your screen. Finally, double-check your payment method, confirm the pickup spot, and hit Confirm to request your ride. And that is all there is to it. Your driver will be on their way to pick up you and your group. If this video helped you out, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and check out more helpful guides right here on ClearTask. Thanks for watching.